Howdy.
No, I'm kidding. That's not.
Howdy. Alright, so...
You want to explain what we got, or I'll explain?
Yeah, you explain. I'll get stuff ready.
So, went online the other day. Found out people do a lot of crazy things with this. So, one of the main things you can do to increase RPM and horsepower and stuff like that is replace the springs. So, I bought new springs, and that allows you to increase the RPM from about 5,500 to about 7,200, just because of valve float gets rid of that. And since we're increasing RPM, we need to be safe. So, also bought a Bellett's aluminum flywheel from Go Power Sports. About $105 or something like that. So we're gonna place the flywheel, and since we also have higher RPM, just to be safe, we also bought a Bellett's arc aluminum connecting rod. So we're gonna have to replace that on this. But first things first, we gotta pull this apart, empty the gasoline, empty the oil. This is pretty much a new engine, so it shouldn't have too much gasoline or oil, but we'll do that and we'll move on to the next part.
Alright, so we're gonna have
pull this part too.
Yes, we will. Okay. We're gonna have to pull off the rockers here.
I should probably go get the thing in the garage.
You have an adjustable? We're gonna have to pull off the rockers. Alright. Then we're gonna have to get into the springs, and we're gonna replace the springs.
Well, first thing, if you can turn the camera.
And the first
I'm
thing.
gonna explain it. So we're gonna pull out the spark. We're gonna look at the piston, make sure the piston is in the up position so there's no pressure on these springs. And then right here, these C-clips hold in this pin that goes through the rockers. We have to pull that pin off, pull the pin out, and then we can finally pull the rocker off. But first things first, spark plug. I should probably just go in the garage and grab that thing. I'm just gonna go in the garage and grab that thing.
Okay.
Got a handy little thing that comes with the engine. Helps you with the spark plug. So
Hold the engine. Goodness. Alright, I'll hold the engine and you turn it.
which way am I turning?
Left.
This way, yeah. Yeah.
Get some more leverage.
That's crazy. Oh, I feel this bending. You see it bending?
Yeah, I do.
Come on, let's try this. And then we'll try that next one.
Oh, okay. Woo! There it goes.
Okay.
Alright, let's fix this up. Wow, that was a hit.
Spark plugs should not be that tight. Holy cow.
Alright.
Should be out by now.
Wait, it's a long spark plug.
We know it works because I ran this engine not too long ago. It looks pretty new.
It's kind of looks dirty.
Hey, shut up.
So
You just pull the plug.
we're checking for the piston
So it gets up.
position. Yeah, you can show that.
How do I turn this
I
camera?
don't think you can.
Darn. That's annoying.
Yeah. You got it, kind of.
So we want to look in there, see when it gets up.
I can't see it.
Well, yeah, so I'm going to move, so.
Oh, I just missed it. Dang it. Hang on. Big boy flares.
How'd you put that back?
I just hit it like that.
Here. Why don't you
This is
just pull this really slow?
Because we just hit it and then we missed it.
So you're gonna backtrack the engine.
Yes, we're gonna backdrive the engine because there's no compression. Okay. Bring it back up. Okay.
Good.
Yes, we are good.
Alright, so next here we gotta pull these C-clips.
E-clips.
Whatever. E-clips. It's an E-clips. Gotta pull that off. So sometimes what you want to do is just put your hand over it. Just make sure they don't fly around the room.
That's why I got my thumb in front of it.
I'm just gonna put my hand here in case.
We have the wall of meat behind it. Okay, we need like a thinner pliers. Do you have a thinner pliers?
But what I was trying to show with the pistons, like, you can see it right there. And if I turn the shaft, you can see it moving a little bit. But
yeah, leave it in the up position.
there.
Leave it in the up position. We don't need to move it. Okay. We ain't needing to move it. Okay, we got one. And
you want to turn that clip around so you can pry it off easily.
yeah, I'm trying to get it to turn. There it goes.
Okay, now you just gotta pop it off. Ooh, there's zoom on this, but it's so pixelated.
Yeah, it.
Uh-oh.
Whoa, we just got so lucky.
We just dodged the bullet.
We got
So something we forgot
lucky.
to do is sometimes other people will plug up these holes down there with a paper towel, but we forgot. We didn't think. We weren't thinking. We should probably do that. I don't know if we have to do that now. Oh, you got cut.
I don't know if I got cut. I got pinched.
There's more clips on the other side, but I don't think we have to remove
We have to
them.
undo these.
You want to stuff that with paper towel just in case right now?
That's a good idea.
Yeah, let's do that. So we don't lose anything.
Into the black hole of doom.
Those rods. It's kind of impressive. So how much is it? It pushes the spring quite a bit.
Yeah.
It's kind of impressive, like, because those 18-pound springs are not easy to push.
Yeah.
Does it push it that much or more?
36-pound spring.
Yeah, I was gonna buy
They
them.
push them like that.
I was gonna buy 36 pounds, and then I was like, that's gonna be way too hard in the cam. Like, we could probably kiss that cam goodbye.
Yeah, you need upgraded everything. Now this might explode. I'm not sure.
Wait, yeah. But if it's in the up position, we should be good.
You know, we took the wrong clip
Yeah,
off
I just
too.
realized that.
Okay, whoa. Did you see how easy that came off?
Well, is there pressure on that little pin?
Alright, so now...
Is it gonna explode? Because
I
it
don't
looks
know.
like that one part came up.
I'm an expert.
Engineer.
I'm an engineer.
Okay, the fact that's coming out pretty hard. I don't like that.
It's probably press fit.
Okay.
Woo! It didn't explode. Alright, we got one out.
That's the pin we're trying to get out, and then clips are on either side of that where the grooves are. Does it matter which side the grooves go on? I don't think so.
No, it's the same. This is in no way, shape, or form the correct way to do this, I'm pretty sure. But, you know, it'll be alright.
It'll suffice.
Oops, okay, well that came out.
Now I gotta pull that rocker off. Okay, so here's the weird part.
We gotta push the springs down.
Is it push that springs down? Okay.
Yeah, we gotta push.
We gotta get that little thing out.
Get it out, get it out, get it out. Okay. There's that. And
Now you should be able to let go and it should be fine.
Whoa, there's one. Alright.
That's under a lot of compression.
So let's have a look in comparison. So this is the stock. You see how thin? And I can do this with 2 fingers. These are the new, like, I'm not a strong person, but those are hard. Alright.
And they are shorter, too.
They are shorter.
We should be okay.
Okay, so we'll put these in like this. And then put this in like this. And then I'm gonna try to push it down. And then Zabs is gonna try to push it down. I'm gonna take the camera.
Okay. Jeez, that's like really hard on your fingers. And I've got oil everywhere, and I'm like, I don't want to slip.
Yeah. Okay, so he got it on. I don't know how. But
Word to the wise, what you got to do is
pull the valve out.
pull the valve out. We were trying to push it in with the valve in. That's not the valve. There. Pull that valve out, if I can focus it.
You see, they kind of go, well.
That's out.
That's in. Which is going to be impossible.
That's
out.
out.
Pull them out.
Word to the wise.
Yeah. Pro tip.
Yeah, we just struggled with that one. Now it's going.
Alright, so rockers time. So push rods are in. So we just put that. We push this in.
And if you just want to increase your RPM from 5,500 to 7,200, this is all you would have to do. Would it be safe? No. But this is all that is required to increase your RPM. I mean, of course you have to remove the governor.
Where'd the big, there we go.
But that's all you have to do. Besides removing the governor, of course. But anyways.
Yeah. It's always good to put a new flywheel on and the rod, because, oh boy.
You're going,
the stock ones
you're spinning so much faster.
Yeah, the stock ones are only rated so far, and you don't want to risk... The flywheel could explode, and actually the rod could explode too. If you go, too fast.
I might have done that on one of my older engines. With the mini bike engine. But
yeah,
that wasn't
we
because we went too fast. That was because I probably didn't let it warm up.
And it also got dropped.
I mean, I guess it was because I let it go too fast, because usually it runs at 24. I let it go up to 28. So maybe it wasn't used. I don't know. I don't know. The oil was pretty dirty too.
Yeah, it could have been overdue for an oil change. Also, could have just been dropped. Because that engine was dropped twice.
It's dropping it doesn't do that much.
Boy. Come back here. Considering the blocks are cast, and considering cast metal is pretty brittle.
True.
And considering how that lawnmower casing shattered from the connecting rod hitting it. I wish we had a video on that.
Why would we purposely blow up an engine?
To show people what not to do.
To show you the power of flex tape.
I exploded this engine.
And rebuilt it. That would be the ultimate Phil Swift thing to do.
We got our rockers back in. So just as a test, I'm going to just turn it and see how much harder it is to turn over. It's a lot harder. Okay.
This thing better start.
Now, I will put something you're supposed to set the lash clearance.
What?
Yeah.
Oh.
But since we didn't change any of this, I think it'll be all right, and let's put it back together.
We got to put the head and screws, and
the
that's
head.
it.
We'll put our 4 8mm back on, and this will be just the head work. So if you are interested in just doing a little bit of the valve springs, other one, I am OSD.
Well, thanks, because I was wondering too. That's a good thing.
Yeah. So if you're curious about
It's OCD, not OSD.
Whatever it is, operating system depression.
Operating system.
If you're curious about valve springs, then you're done here.
Yeah, we'll link.
If you're curious about the more expensive parts, that's gonna be up next.
Next video, yeah.